Welcome back, students, to another chapter, Perimeter and Area, from your PA4 portion. Perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. To add the perimeter of a polygon, we add the lengths of its sides. Perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which are the sides of the rectangle. Now, perimeter of a triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus CA, which again are the sides of the triangle. Let us learn how to find the perimeter of a rectangle, a square, and a triangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is a simple closed figure made up of 4 line segments. Here, angle A is equal to angle B, which is equal to angle C, which is again equal to angle D, and all are equal to 90 degrees. That is, all the angles are right angles. AB is equal to CD, which is equal to the length of the rectangle, and BC is equal to AD, which is the breadth of the rectangle. That is, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now, the perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of its sides. So, perimeter P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, or P is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Thus, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a square. A square is a simple closed figure made up of 4 equal line segments. So, AB is equal to BC, which is equal to CD, which is equal to AD, which is the side of the square. So, the perimeter of a square is the sum of all sides. So, perimeter of a square is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, which is equal to 4 into side, since all the sides are equal. So, P is equal to 4 into S. Thus, perimeter of a square P is equal to 4 into S. Perimeter of a triangle. Triangle is a simple closed figure made up of 3 line segments. 3 types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. So, the perimeter P is equal to AB plus BC plus CA, which is equal to P is equal to 3 into side. Isosceles triangle. Here, isosceles triangle means 2 sides of a triangle are equal and a third side is different. So, perimeter P is equal to DE plus DF plus EF, which is equal to P is equal to 2 into S, which are the same sides, plus a different side A. So, perimeter is 2S plus A. And now, for a scalene triangle, all the sides are different. For the triangle GHI, the 3 sides GH plus HI plus IG is the perimeter of the triangle, which is nothing but P is equal to A plus B plus C. Task 1. Find the perimeter of the following rectangles. Now looking at the third sum, we have a rectangle MNOP where the sides are given to be MN is equal to 4 meters, NO is equal to 12 meters. So the perimeter of the rectangle is MN plus NO plus OP plus PM, which is 4 plus 12 plus 4 plus 12, which is 32 meters. So the perimeter of the rectangle MNOP is 32 meters. Problem set 1. To find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are given. I hope all of you would have tried the see and the try part. So let us do the apply part, where let us see the second sum, that is 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters are the length and breadth of the rectangle. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, which is 2 into 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. So 2 into 20 is 40 centimeters is the perimeter of this given rectangle. Now let us do a third sum. Third sum, sides are 20 centimeters and 44 centimeters. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 44 plus 20, which is 2 into 64, which is 128 centimeters. Task 2. Find the perimeter of the given squares. Let us see the second sum. The square given is ABCD. So the perimeter of the square is 4 into side, where all the sides are equal, which is 5 meters. So 4 into 5 is 20. The perimeter of the square ABCD is equal to 20 meters. Now let us see the fifth sum. This is another square EFGH where all the sides are 20 millimeters. So the perimeter of the square is 4 into side, which is 4 into 20, which is 80. So the perimeter of the square EFGH is 80 millimeters. Moving on to problem set 2. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is given. So I hope all of you will be doing the see and try part. Now let us do the second sum in apply part. Here the given side is 101 centimeters. So the perimeter of a square is 4 into side, which is 4 into 101, which is 404 centimeters. Now let us see the third sum, where the side given is 145 millimeters. The perimeter of the square is 4 into side, which is 4 into 145, which is equal to 580 millimeters. Task 3. Find the perimeter of the given triangles. Let us see the second sum. Here, a triangle MNO is given. So let us find the perimeter of the triangle, which is side plus side plus side, which is equal to 17 plus 19 plus 17, which is 53. So the perimeter of the triangle MNO is 53 centimeters. Now let us see the third sum. RST is the given triangle. So the perimeter of the triangle is again side plus side plus side, which is 24 plus 27 plus 24, which is 75. So the perimeter of this triangle is RST is 75 centimeters. Problem set 3. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are given. Now in the apply part, let us see the third sum. The third sum given is 15 millimeters, 22 millimeters and 29 millimeters. So which happens to be a scalene triangle. So the perimeter of the triangle is side plus side plus side, which is 15 plus 22 plus 29, which is 66 millimeters. Now let us see the third sum. The third sum given is 15 millimeters, 22 millimeters and 29 millimeters. So the perimeter of the triangle is side plus side plus side, which is 15 plus 22 plus 29, which is 66 millimeters. Moving on to problem set 4. Find the perimeter of a square whose sides are given. Now in the apply part, let us see the third sum. The third sum given is 15 millimeters, 22 millimeters and 29 millimeters. So which happens to be a scalene triangle. So the perimeter of the triangle is side plus side plus side, which is 15 plus 22 plus 29, which is 66 Let us see the fourth sum, which is 7.5 centimeters, 18.9 centimeters and 34.6 centimeters. So the perimeter of the triangle is again side plus side plus side, which is 7.5 plus 18.9 plus 34.6, which is equal to 61 centimeters. Problem set 4. Solve the following word problems. Let us see in the apply part the first sum. A rectangular sheet is 24.6 meters long and 18.2 meters broad. So find its perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 24.6 plus 18.2, which is equal to 2 into 42.8, which is equal to 85.6 meters. In problem set 5, solve the following word problems. Apply part, let us do the first sum. Find the length of a rectangle whose perimeter is 93.8 meters and breadth is 8.9 meters. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So 93.8 divided by 2 is equal to the sum L plus B. Now 93.8 divided by 2 is 46.9. 46.9 is equal to length plus the breadth, which is 8.9. Now 46.9 minus 8.9 is equal to the length, which is 38 meters. So the length is 38 meters of the given rectangle. In problem set 6, solve the following word problems. In the apply part, let us see the third sum. The length of each side of a square box is 128 centimeters. Find its perimeter. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 128 centimeters. So the perimeter of a square box is 512 centimeters. Problem set 7. Solve the following word problems. Apply part, let us see the first sum. Find the length of a square whose perimeter is 288 centimeters. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So side is equal to perimeter of a square divided by 4, which is equal to 288 divided by 4, which again is on dividing we get the answer 72 centimeters. So the side of the square is 72 centimeters. Problem set 8. Solve the following word problem. Apply part, the first sum. Find the length of one side of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 186 centimeters. Now perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side, since all the three sides are equal. So 186 is equal to 3 into side, or side is equal to 186 divided by 3, which on dividing by 3 we get an answer of 62 centimeters. Problem set 9. Solve the following word problems. Apply part, third sum. If the length of one side of an equilateral triangle is 18.5 centimeters, find its perimeter. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side, which is equal to 3 into 18.5 centimeters, which is 55.5 centimeters. Task 4. Find the perimeter of the following shape. In this, let us see the fifth sum. So the perimeter of this irregular polygon is just the sum of all its sides. So Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG FH plus HI plus IA. So which is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6, which is ultimately equal to 30 centimeters. So the perimeter of the given shape is 30 centimeters. Area. The amount of surface enclosed by a plane shape is called its area. It is measured in small square units of length such as square centimeters or square meters, etc. Area of a rectangle. The rectangle has been divided into equal squares. The side of each square is 1 centimeters. So we call the area of each square as 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter squared. Thus, in the given rectangle there are 10 squares. So the area of the given rectangle is 10 centimeters squared or 10 square centimeters, which is got from 5 into 2 centimeters, which is 10 centimeters squared. We can also say that area of the rectangle is length into breadth, which is L into B, which is 5 centimeters into 2 centimeters, and so it is 10 centimeters squared. Now the area of a square. Area of a square is also the space occupied by a square. So the length of all the sides of a square are equal. So the area of a square is nothing but side into side or side squared. Let us see task 5. Find the area of the following rectangle. For the second sum, which is sides are given to be 15 meters and 4 meters. So the area of the rectangle is L into B, which is 15 into 4, which is equal to 60. So the area of the rectangle is 60 meters squared. Problem set 10. Find the area of the rectangle with the sides given. So apply part. Let us see the fifth sum. The fifth sum, given sides are 4 meters and 36 centimeters. Note that two different units have been given. So first convert them to the same unit. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 4 meters is equal to 4 into 100 centimeters, which is 400 centimeters, which happens to be the length of the rectangle. And so now the area of a rectangle is L into B, which is 400 into 36, which is 14,400 centimeters squared. Now task 6, find the area of the following square. Let us see the fifth sum. Here the side of the square is given to be 11 centimeters. So area of the square is side into side, which is 11 into 11, and so it is 121 centimeters squared. Problem set 11. Find the area of a square with each side. In the apply part, let us see the second sum, which is 21 centimeters. So area of the square is side into side, which is 21 into 21, and so it is 441 centimeters squared. Problem set 12. Solve the following word problem. Apply part. Let us see the second sum. Find the area of the rectangular sheet of paper whose length is 14.5 meters and breadth is 9.7 meters. Area of a rectangle is L into B, which is equal to 14.5 meters into 9.7 meters, which is equal to 140.65 meters squared. Problem set 13. Solve the following word problems. Let us see the apply part, the first sum. Find the area of a square field whose side is 28 meters. Area of the square is side into side, which is equal to 28 meters into 28 meters, which happens to be 784 meters squared. Problem set 14. Solve the following word problems. In the apply part, let us see the second sum. Find the breadth of the rectangle whose length is 15 centimeters and area is 165 centimeters squared. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So 165 centimeters squared is equal to 15 centimeter into the breadth. So breadth is equal to 165 centimeters squared divided by 15 centimeter. Now dividing 165 by 15 gives you 11. So breadth is 11 centimeters. With this, we have come to the end of the chapter perimeter and area. Thank you.